So we have our second video in Unit 4 going over impulse. So impulse is basically change in momentum. And the way you change momentum is often by changing velocity. I mean, technically you could change mass as like an object is moving, like if things were falling off of it, but you're basically never gonna see that in a physics problem from my knowledge. So it's gonna be change in velocity. And here we have like a mathematical representation of that. P equals mass times final velocity minus initial velocity. So impulse is represented with a J, and we can see here J equals delta P, and we know that delta is change of and P is momentum. So then change of momentum equals mass times change of velocity, because we mentioned how like changing velocity is going to change momentum. And the other thing you need to know about impulse is that it can be caused by an unbalanced force exerted for a period of time. And that sounds really convoluted, but if I break it down for you, if you're exerting a force on an object, let's say that you're pushing a box. In real life, you're not going to be exerting the same amount of force like consistently throughout your pushing of that box. Like if you're pushing on it with 500 newtons, it's not going to stay 500 newtons throughout. So then in that case, then you are changing the momentum because, not pushing it as fast. Anyway, that's going to change impulse because we said that velocity is changing. And if we look at what force is, it's mass times acceleration. Acceleration is change of velocity. So it all works out. But I think that's pretty much it for impulse. And we'll be doing like practice problems for this kind of stuff as well. So if you don't get it conceptually at the moment, we'll go over it.